Hello friends, let's we start the second personality, Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai is currently the CEO of Google company. If we are introduced to a person in these words, we are likely to sit up and take notice for our guest. Sundar Pichai is one of the greatest personality of the world and the currently CEO of Google Technology. The person who made the Chrome browser a household name among internet users and who contributed significantly to aligment Chrome with Android could not possibly be someone we can ignore in a world increasingly detected and dominated by technology. The person who made the Chrome browser is the household name of Chrome. Among internet users, we are using internet and internet browsers. There are different name of browsers. The one of the best browser is Chrome, and the household name of the Chrome is Chrome browser. Sundaranjan Pichai, birth 1975, grew up in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. He was born in 1972 and grew up in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. After his schooling, he joined IIT Kharagpur and studied metallurgical engineering. Thereafter, he was granted admission to Stratford University in the US. Then, after completing his IIT education, he admitted to Stanford University situated in US, United States of America. He earned a master's degree in engineering and material science. He acquired master's degree means MA, MCom or MSc, master degree in engineering and material science and later a management degree from the Wharton School of Business. Initially, he worked as a company dealing with semiconductor devices called Allied Materials. He worked in a company that made a semiconductor device called Allied Materials and then as management consultant for McKinsey and Company. Then he was the management consultant in the McKinsey and Company. He joined Google in 2004 as a manager for the Google Toolbar. Later he took over as vice president for product management and oversaw research and development of consumer products such as iGoogle, Google Toolbar, desktop search and gadgets, Google Pack and Gears. And then he also the vice president of product management and active participation of Pichai in research and development of consumer products like iGoogle, iToolbar, desktop, research and gadgets also. One of his former teacher at IIT Kharagpur says he was doing work in the field of electronics at a time when no separate course on electronics existed in our curriculum. His thesis dealt with implanting molecules of other elements in silicon vapors to alter its properties. It was very clear from the beginning that he was enthusiastic about electronics and materials. He was a very brilliant student and energetic student, and he also enthusiastic about electronics and materials. That's why he also completed his thesis dealing with the molecules of other elements in silicon vapors to alter its properties. It means that there were not any separate course on electronics though he also completed his thesis on electronics. It is a very prestigious point for Pillai and for the students, those who are pursuing the engineering degree. In 2011, he became Senior Vice President of Google Chrome and Apps and was largely responsible for products including the Chrome browser and operating system, Gmail, Calendar, Docs, and Google Drive. And in 2011, he acquired a place of Vice President due to his hard work and determination. In 2015, he was appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of Google, and in 2015, he was appointed as the Chief Executive Officer, means CEO of Google, with its latest products, Google Assistant. It is clear that Google has now actively embraced artificial intelligence (AI) technology, and Pichai has been leading this from the front. And from 2015, he was leading figure in the company of Google. He is believed to have said that AI is one of the most important things that humanity is working on. And then he believed that AI is one of the most important things for the humanity. It's more profound than electricity or fire. Or AI is more important or more profound than electricity or fire. That being said, Google's pervasiveness has raised fears of a world monopolized and controlled by large operators such as Apple, Amazon, and Google. Recent concerns about data privacy on social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter make it even more evident that unless consumers concisely inform themselves and ask for control of their private data, corporations may use it for their own financial and political gain, and corporations use the personal data of the users for their own financial and political gain, and in that business, Google gives the more facilities to the users. Technology, like all other tools, needs to be used with care and the benefits balanced with risk. While it is likely that the world will revert to the pre-Google world in the near future, innovations in technology seems to be working towards making it simple to use without letting it intrude into our personal space. And now Google also gives the facilities without using their introduction to the personal space. In a blog that announced Sundar Pichai's elevation as CEO of Google, Larry Page said, Larry Page is the very eminent personality in the world of technology, and he told about Sundar Pichai that what he said, we have long believed that over time companies tend to get comfortable doing the same thing, just making incremental changes. But in the technology industry, where revolutionary ideas drive the next big growth areas, you need to be a bit uncomfortable to stay relevant. He also says about the personality of Sundar Pichai is that in technology industry there are many revolutionary ideas drive the next big growth areas, and it is beneficial for the users. Going by the steady innovations that Pichai seems to be leading in Google, it is clear that Page's advice is taken seriously by Pichai and others in the technology business, and thus the steady innovations in the field of technology and in the field of Google by Pichai. That's why Pichai is a very leading personality or leading figure in the field of technology, specifically in Google applications and Google technologies and others in the technology business. And Sundar Pichai is also take initiative part in other technological businesses all over the world. It means that from the personality of Sundar Pichai, we also learn the determination, and we also take the inspiration from the personality of Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai was the very enthusiastic personality in the field of technology. Okay, thank you friends.